Welcome back to today's Crystal Classroom. We will be continuing with our final discussion on thermogravimetric analysis. For those who may have missed the previous TGA classrooms, this instrument is equipped to monitor the changes in weight of your sample as a function of temperature when heated at a controlled rate, or as a function of time when heated isothermally. Today's focus will be on mass balance. We have discussed the interpretation of TGA and the causes of steps that may be seen from your results due to loss of solvent, water, or decomposition. When a step is suspected of being caused from solvent or water, additional characterization must be performed to confirm if the sample is hydrated or solvated using KF and GC. In this example, we see that there is a 2% weight loss by TGA, indicating that it may be hydrated or solvated. When the KF of the sample was run, however, we noticed that there was really 5% water content. Now, why is this the case, and which result should we trust? This is when we need to circle back to fully understand the results as the true nature of our sample. If we look at the TGA results again, we can see that the weight loss appears to begin at the very beginning of the experiment itself. Oftentimes with TGA experiments, the instrument settings will wait for the weight to stabilize on the hang-down wire before the heating ramp begins. During this time, if the solvent or water within the lattice is very labile and exists as a channel, some of the water or solvent content can be lost during the stabilization period. When we rerun the sample and have it start immediately without the weight stabilization, we can see that the weight loss is now 5%. Which aligns perfectly with the results of our KF. We have now accurately paired the TGA and KF characterization of our sample and have confidence to label it as a monohydrate. With the conclusion of our discussion on TGA, we will continue our momentum in thermal analysis with differential scanning calorimetry. Thank you all for joining our classroom, and we look forward to diving into our next topic.